So this is the infamous Fullstar vegetable chopper, spiralizer, vegetable slicer. There's a lot of things that it kind of says, but honestly, it's pretty cool. So my wife here is kind of showing me how it works. Basically, there's a dice blade that's small, there's a dice blade that's large, there's a spiral blade, and there's a ribbon blade. So it like cuts vegetables, potatoes, onions, cucumbers, things like that. And here's the cleaning utensil that comes with it. And so there's 2 cleaning scrapers. There's a finger guard, 4 interchangeable blades, and there's like a 5-cup catch tray. So we've really enjoyed this, honestly. Like, it's actually fun to use.
I can't get it in here.
Not only that, like, it makes eating vegetables a lot more fun, in my opinion. You can kind of make them into like noodles, or you can make different kinds of pastas. You can chop up and dice really easily. You can cut up fruits. And so really the sky's the limit with how you want to do this. We've actually got some for my mom as well, and then we also have ours. So when he does fruits, vegetables, spices, and some heavier duty things. And so for us, we've loved it. And so if you are on the fence with this, if you saw it somewhere, I don't think you can go wrong with it. I think it's a great gift. I think you should get it for your wife. My wife loves it. She makes really good food with it. You should give it to your grandma. Whatever it is, anyone who's in the kitchen would probably, in my opinion, enjoy this. If you're like me, struggling to try to get those veggies and fruit in, it helped me out quite a bit.